Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to convert LTC to USDT on Binance. So first of all, we're going to go into the Binance app and then we're going to make sure to have the actual crypto and be logged in. So once we have this, we're going to go press convert. For me it's right there, but for you it might be in the more section and you're going to have to scroll down here. And as you can see in trade, there it is, convert. We're just going to choose that. And then we're going to be given this prompt. Then we're going to choose from, so that's where we want to choose LTC because that's what we have. So you can choose LTC and then you're just going to choose USDT, and then you're just going to type in the amount of how much coins you're going to want to transfer. This also works for any other cryptocurrency, so Bitcoin, Solana, Dogecoin, anything. So yeah, feel free to use it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.